You know, a lot of times when people are thinking about buying a place here, I say to them, why don't you take the Kona Test Drive first? Hi, I'm Dan Polimino from the Hawaii team in KW Big Island, and today we're talking about what is the Kona Test Drive. Well, here it is, really simple. People come here and they start getting all wound up, tied up, trying to think about what is the best purchase. Do they buy a single family home, maybe up the mountain with a little bit of acreage, have some fruit trees and a farm, but they know they can't short-term vacation rental it, but they could long-term rent it, or maybe a portion of it, or what's it gonna be like to maintain that place? And they weigh that against buying something like a lock and leave, like a short-term vacation rental condo, something in the resorts that they can rent and they can make some money back. But it wasn't exactly what they were thinking about, and they don't know all parts of the island, and so they're trying to decide exactly where they would want to be, and they're maybe rushing a decision or making a decision emotionally, and I say, hey guys, wait a minute, just slow down. Let's do the Kona Test Drive. And they say, well, what's the Kona Test Drive? I said, the Kona Test Drive is this. Here's what most people do. Most people come here and they buy a moderately priced condo, and they buy it in the resorts. And the purpose is that you can come and use it whenever you want, and when you're not here, you can short-term vacation rental it and make some of your money back. What this allows you to do is experience Hawaii, come and go. It's a lock and leave that's really easy to maintain without a lot of hassle. And then when you are here on the island, now that's an opportunity for you to explore different parts of the island. Look up in Holualoa, look in North Kona, look in Waimea. Think about whether or not you would want to buy an existing house with some acreage or build a house in any of those areas. Give yourself permission and some time to research this for a year or two. And in the meantime, you're still coming to Hawaii, you're enjoying your condo. It is a lock and leave, so there's not a lot of maintenance required. And you can kind of test drive the whole thing. You can either rule in living in the resorts or rule out living in the resorts. It's that simple. It's called the Kona Test Drive. If you like these videos, please share them with a friend. Hit the share button. And if you like them and you want them automatically sent to you every week, hit the subscribe button. If you'd like to talk to me at any time, I always pick up the phone. Give us a call at 808-913-0899, 808-913-0899, or thehawaiiteam.com. Aloha.